RA 9344, also known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 from the Philippines, and the Juvenile Delinquency and the Prevention Act of the United States share similarities and differences in their approach to handling juvenile offenders. Both laws share a child-centered approach focusing on the rehabilitation, protection, and reintegration of the juveniles while avoiding punitive measures. They also highlight community, family, and prevention efforts to reduce juvenile delinquency, ensuring humane and age-appropriate treatment of young offenders. The main difference lies in the centralized versus decentralized approach. The Philippines applies RA 9344 uniformly across the country with a national system, while the JDPA sets broad guidelines, leaving states to decide specific policies and practices, which can result in variability in enforcement and outcomes. The cultural focus in RA 9344 on marginalized and indigenous groups is also a notable distinction compared to the JDPA's broader focus on racial and ethnic disparities. RA 9344 has a strong national focus on child protection, especially in preventing children from entering the formal justice system. In contrast, the JDPA is more decentralized, allowing states flexibility but creating variation in implementation. Both share a commitment to the rights and rehabilitation of juveniles, through cultural and structural differences influence their approaches. Thanks for watching.